on the way to the Johnson City skate park, and then this happened. So we got pulled over on the way here to the mountain bike pump track in Johnson City, Tennessee. But we made it, we're here. The pump track here in Johnson City, Tennessee. Check out the view. What you got to say about the mountain park bike, whatever it is?
Pretty awesome.
It's cool?
I'm pumped.
It's a pump track!
Just a rebel to the world with no place to go.
Yeah, dude. Living on the edge.
But the time has changed, hoes playing with my mind, got my heart in the cage. The pussy is in my
Keep going, you got it. Overall, I give this place like a 9 out of 10 because it's like cold, and if it's summertime, 10 out of 10. In the morning, because just as soon as the bikes get here, it's crowded. If you're a skateboarder, you gotta get here in the morning.
Strong 7.5.
7.5?
7.5. Strong 7.5.
I give it a 9. I've never seen anything like it. So what was the deal? We got pulled over on the way to the pump track. Get to the pump track, get kicked out.
Ain't no skating.
Ain't no skating here. Go back to Franklin, that's what they said. So, we out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, get in on this side.
Get in. Tell the cops come in and say that they're skating. Yeah, so we kick, push. There's no skating there. So we got kicked out of the mountain bike pump track in Johnson City, Tennessee. So here's the skate park. This skate park is like janky as it could possibly be. But we're gonna try to skate it. Big cracks.
Holy crap!
Here you go, Danny. It's all you.
Bro!
Love it. So it can be done, but just look at the concrete. It's terrible.
Yeah, because you land at an angle and like everything's bumpy on the way up. I feel like this is so low, but I feel like this is just hard to pull it.
Yeah, Danny. Check it out,
Bro! I can't kick the foot plant quick enough though.
It's not bad in any way, shape, or form.
Ah, no, I have to do. Nope.
Okay, never mind.
Nope, never mind.
So what do you give the park? 1 out of 10.
Give it a -2 out of 10. It's a
-2. I gave it a 5. Look at the cracks.
just.
All right, so we've been going to like park after park after park today. I mean, overall, I think it's pretty cool. I like it.
That's so weird, man.
Video.
Do a 270 transfer.
Right here? Is where we're at? All right. Bro! Dude, that was cool, bro. That shit was dope.
With a torn fucking foot. 270 transfer.
One of the coolest things I think that's here is this rail right here. From concrete, railroad. That's sick. Where are we at? Like, I don't even know this town's name. Erwin, Tennessee? All right, word. What? I ain't got none of that. None of that. This guy is awesome.
Back full to back full.
Yes. That's one of the locals here.
Yeah. Hey, check YouTube tomorrow. You'll be on it.
First glance, it looks crowded, but hey, the people are cool, and overall, I think it's a pretty good park. Yeah. we made it back from the skate park from all this crazy adventure. So overall, pretty good day. We got pulled over. We got a flat tire, but we made it home. So Sunday fun day. Until next time.